Hi guys, welcome to Tech Time with me, Daniel Stroud Vlogs. Today we are going to be looking at the Razer Kiyo webcam. Now this is the webcam that I use on a daily basis for streaming over on twitch.tv/Daniel Stroud Vlogs. Link will be down in the description. And also recording videos right here on youtube.com/Daniel Stroud Vlogs. So the Razer Kiyo webcam is probably, in my opinion, one of the best webcams for streaming purposes I have ever used. I used to use a cheap Creative 20 quid 720p webcam, whereas this webcam, the Razer Kiyo, which I'm filming on now, is 60 FPS, 1080p, and it's a beautiful piece of kit. Not only in this video, not only will I talk about the webcam, there'll also be footage of the unboxing, what you get inside the box and stuff like that. You can see the box actually behind me there. Many features that this webcam boasts: autofocus, manual zoom, manual focus. You can adjust the saturation, the brightness, the hue. The possibilities on this webcam are truly endless, and I mean truly endless. And as per every Razer item that you buy, you get some stickers, which I haven't actually put up anywhere yet. But you also get some Razer stickers as well. But yeah, I before when I started streaming on Twitch, I used the 20 quid cheap webcam from Argos, Amazon, whatever, and I wasn't enjoying streaming. My mum, bless her, bought me this as a birthday present, so shout out to mum, thank you. And now that I've got this webcam, I'm so excited for streaming. I love streaming on it. It's just, I don't know, it's something about it. It's just brilliant and I love it. And it's brought back the excitement for streaming for me. Now, a lot of people compare this Razer Kiyo to the C920 webcam. I haven't actually used the C920 webcam. I don't know what the quality's like. And I'm not going to prejudge it or pass any judgment on it because I haven't used it. I suppose it all depends on budget and money and stuff like that, how much you've got to spend, so on and so forth. In this video, there'll be a link in the description for you to be able to pick up your own Razer Kiyo webcam. That'll be in the description box below. If you want to get into streaming and you can afford it, please, I strongly recommend you buy the Razer Kiyo webcam. It is just an amazing webcam with so many features, so many functions. It's brilliant. And also, when you download the Razer Synapse software, you register your device, whatever item you bought it from Razer, maybe keyboard, mouse, webcam, microphone, speakers, headset, controller, whatever, blah 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 blah. And you get your warranty, and it's just absolutely brilliant. This isn't a sponsor, by the way. This is not a sponsored video. Can I strongly say that, please? It is not a sponsored video. Razer have not paid me to talk about the webcam. They have not gifted me the webcam. Like it's when my mum bought it for me. This is purely a shout out to Razer. I am a hashtag Razer streamer, and I use Razer webcam for streaming, and I'm not paid by Razer to talk about this. I'm not sponsored by Razer to talk about this. It's just my own opinion. I thought I have to make a video because I love it. I love this. It's just, I love it. It's so cool. It's just the best webcam. And the fact that it comes with a ring light as well. It's everything you need. And it has a microphone, but I use an external mic. Other videos, let me just briefly talk about the other videos in the series. We'll talk about what keyboard I use, what mouse I use. Talk about my USB codec that I use, my microphone that I use, and we'll be talking about everything and anything about what I'll be using and stuff in a number of episodes to come. But until then, guys. Anyway, guys, if you're new around here, ding dong that notification bell. Hit me up with a subscription if you're new around here. If you want to see any more videos, let me know what items you want me to talk about, and let's get right into the unboxing of the Razer Kiyo 60 FPS 1080p webcam.